Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a one product wash and go, and the product that I chose to use today is the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I've never tried this product before, and I've been curious to see if it would work on my hair. It does say that it's for thick curly hair, so we shall see. So today I'm just going to be putting this in my hair, just this by itself, and we're going to see if this product alone does the trick and I'm able to have a nice wash and go. So I just co-washed and deep conditioned my hair. So my hair is pretty wet and it's already detangled. So I'm just gonna be having this t-shirt around my neck, and I'm gonna dry it a little bit. And I do have my spray bottle here because I'm gonna be needing that. So guys, if you guys want to see this one product wash and go on type 4 hair and see if this product works for me, then keep watching. Okay guys, so if you guys watched my last curly hair routine, you guys know what I do. I like to section it off and then work section by section and finger rake the product in. So that's the same method I'm going to be using today. So now I just got to go get my clips. Alright, so couldn't find clips, so I just got hair ties. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this front section and section it away. Alright, so this is the first section I'm going to be working on. It's wet, detangled. Alright, so now I'm going to grab this and apply it to the section, so I'm going to let you guys see that. I like the way it feels in my hair. Feels moisturizing. You guys can see that. So yeah, it's weird not only using one product. I've never done that before. So this shall be interesting, but I'm gonna add a little bit more just because I'm that girl, you know? All right, this looks good to me. So yeah, that's it. We're just gonna keep on going. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue this process. You guys are gonna see, taking a section. The section's way too big, but just taking a section and just finger raking the product in. But yeah, that's just what I'm gonna continue to do. And I'll come back when I have like more done, like half my hair done. All right, so as you guys can see, finger raking, adding the product in. It's much easier when your hair is already detangled, so make sure you do that before the fact. Like, it's easy for me to just put the product in because my hair was already finger detangled. Yeah, finger rake. And make sure your hair is really wet, okay? You guys can see that there's water dripping down my face. So alright, so I'm done talking. You guys are just gonna see. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys can see.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.
Okay guys, so I'm back with majority of my hair done. I really like the way that it goes into my hair. I do feel like I see some curl definition and it feels very moisturized going on, but the real test will be when my hair completely air dries. So as you guys can see, I just have this little piece left, well, this section left, and so I'm gonna continue the same process for that, and then I'll come back with my whole hair done. Well, I'm gonna let you guys see. Yeah, I'm gonna speed it up.
Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mistakes
looks like. I see the definition for sure. I see the definition. But yeah, I like the way it looks, I'm not gonna lie. So I hope it dries well because it looks so nice right now. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a 360. All right. Hope that's good. I don't even know if that was a good one, but yeah, I like it. I like the way it looks. I hope you guys can see, you know? But yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. I really like the results. My hair feels very moisturized right now, so we shall see. I'll be back when my hair is fully air dried. Could be later today, could be tomorrow, but I will be coming back on camera. But yeah, stay tuned. So I am back. This is my day 2 hair. So first I'm going to go with the pros. I do like the fact that this product is very moisturizing, so that's a good, I give this product a thumbs up for that. However, I did notice that my hair does have some white flakes left in it, which I'm not a fan of course. So I'm kind of torn. And also this product does give you a fluffy wash and go. So if you like light and fluffy big hair and you don't really care for a lot of definition, then this product is perfect for you. However, me, I do like that, but sometimes I do like a little bit more of a hold and more defined wash and go. So I feel like this product might do well with a gel incorporation with it. So we'll see. I'm going to play around with it. I'm going to still continue to use it and continue to feel it out because this is the first time I did use it. So maybe it was the other products that I used that made it kind of more okay. Phone. All right, so we shall see, but I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a 360 so that you guys can see. But yeah, this is what my hair basically looks like. I did spray my hair with water before coming on camera, so if you guys see like a lot of white like watery spots, if that makes sense, then that's why. But I do have some like little small flakes and I'm like, why? But whatever. I do like it, but like I said, I am torn, so you guys will have to see if it's worth it to you. But again, it is only $8.99, so that's not that bad compared to other products that you're going to be spending like $12, $13. Some products are even like 20 bucks for one thing, for one jar, so whatever. But anyway, guys, so I hope you guys like this video, guys. If you guys do end up going out of your way to buy this, or if you do like it and it works for you, then let us know down in the comments. Come back, guys, for my next video. I will be having another video coming out next week. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.